Good morning mga kakikoy ko. I-check natin tong ano ko, ambrosia apple, kasi kagabi may na-receive akong frost night advisory galing sa The Weather Network Canada. So yan, binalutan ko, no. Yan, binalutan. Actually dati naman to, di ba? So yan, chichikin natin kung anong nangyari. Alright. Kasi kawawa naman. Alam niyo yung ano? Tingnan natin. Yan, nakaklampa yan, oh. Ayan. So malusog siya mga kakikoy ko, ano? Thank you so much. Grow, grow, grow. Alright. Ayan, oh. Please subscribe Kiko YouTube TV. Thank you. Bye bye. And to all my members, please subscribe too. I will put the description down below. Alright, their link. Thank you. Bye bye.